This one I better do. Me, I no get tired. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Big man way to be da. What's it going? Chihuahua, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it going? Chihuahua, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, love. Good morning, besties. How are you guys doing? And I hope you all are doing well. So I'm starting this vlog by making a quick smoothie breakfast, and I'm using oats. I'm also using granola. I'm also using fruits like apple and banana to make this smoothie. Last day I'm using yogurt. So guys, let us grab a knife and start making our breakfast.
You said there ain't no reason, but I sit here every day.
So guys, this is the first time of me making these types of breakfast, but I actually love it because it is very healthy, because I use oats and fruits, and it is a very healthy breakfast plus the yogurt. So that is like the new lifestyle that I want for myself. That is how I want to be making breakfast. Like, not all the time to eat bread. At times you need to eat, like, you need to change your diet, like having a balanced diet to have all the food nutrients in your body. So that is why I decided to like change my diet once in a while. If you all notice, I am bloated most of the time. You see my belly. If I ate something that is very slow to digest, I became bloated very easily. So that is why I want to change my diet. So I am adding a little bit of water so that it can become more watery. Not watery, but it shouldn't be so thick. So I bring it in my room because I have no connection yet in my kitchen. So that is why I decided to blend it over here.
You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way.
So one thing I love about this smoothie, it is very satisfying. It looks like a pap. It makes you feel very satisfied, like you are full when you eat this. And I'm also adding my toppings plus my serum for sweetness. And here we have it, guys.
No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you.
So isn't it looking beautiful? By the look of things, I know you know that it is tasty. So chop time. And I'm also going to do a quick get ready with me because I want to go to the hospital for checkup. Like I said on my last vlog, I'm going there for my baby. So let's get started. I am wearing a black pants and I'm also putting on a girdle underneath because I want my belly to snatch. So yeah guys, let me just leave you to watch the video and I will talk to you guys when I'm done, okay? Good morning guys, I am late. I am going to the hospital just like I said on my last vlog. My baby is not feeling okay, so that is where I am heading. We'll talk to you guys when I get back, okay? Bye.
Just for the record, just for the record. If they like me, they chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come back, no. So plain.
Hi guys, welcome back. I am back from the hospital, but I want to go to the town to go and buy 1 or 2 things for myself. I'm starting class on Monday and today is Saturday, so I want to go to the town and buy 1 or 2 things that I will need. So guys, I decided to change my outfit. I just put on the scarf because my hair is a bit too off and the place is very hot. That is why I removed my wig, and I also put on this shirt and this pants. I even changed my pants. Yeah, so that is how I am looking right now. Yeah, let us go. I don't know if I'm going to thrift. I don't know if it's thrifting or just shopping, but yeah, I just want to buy 2 things, so that is the goal for this vlog. Let's keep on going, okay? Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday. Today is Kenisha's last day at the hospital, and we are going to take our last injection. So that is where we are heading. I just want to greet you guys. Good morning. Today is Sunday and happy Sunday guys. I'll talk to you guys when we get back, okay? Bye. Welcome back guys. So I want to make a quick lafidi, and I have the pepper, the jakato and the okra. I've already prepped my ingredients. Over here in this bottle I have the oil, and over here I have the rice. I'm using pushawa parboiled rice. So this is the rice, and also this is the onions and the maggi that I'm going to use. And I've already seasoned my fish. I'm using the mina fish, this small tiny fish. Okay, so that is what I'm using. Now I'm grabbing a frying pan, then rinse it, then also put it on the fire to fry the fish.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time. Yeah, bad in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing they are reap and we coursing on foot. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like man. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, so blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the big road part time. Sit down in a class and we both then only see the road and we go on with the road. Heard for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher rim like hello, brother. Say I just shut down, saw you post the spec.
So guys, at this point my rice is ready, but it's a little bit burnt, and the pepper cook nice, plus the okra and the jakato, they all cook. And yeah guys, my rice is a little bit burnt, but I don't mind because I was able to eat it. I was caught up with another thing, so that is why like it got burnt. So you just saw me put the oil that I used earlier to fry the fish on the rice because I want the flavor of the oil. Okay, so next I am using Benny for the toppings, which most of the people call sesame. I am putting out the remaining ingredients: the jakato, the okra and the pepper.
I'm not joking. Oh my God.
And next I am adding the fish. So guys, this is the lafidi so far. This is the end product. I hope you guys love the video. I hope you enjoy watching, and thank you very much for stopping by. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Notice and notice. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.